Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. I understand that a lot of you have shown some interest in those 3-tier planters that you can stack. You know, you can stack them 4, 5, 6, however, whatever height you want, that are available at Dollar Tree. And the only issue with that is that I have heard some people say that you have to be able to rotate it or put it somewhere where the sun can hit it on all sides. Well, yes, you can rotate it. I went out to Dollarama today, and I know there's no Dollarama in the U.S., but for the Canadians, we have this product here, and I'm sure it's available elsewhere. But I've bought a number of these, and it's extremely sturdy. This is metal on wheels, and I have some very large flower pots on some of these. I think I have 2 or 3 of them. But yeah, I tested it out, and the width is wide enough to support that 3-tier, and I don't know if I'll keep it as high as 8. I may just take it down to 5 and buy a couple more and make 2 of them. That might work for me. But I may test it at 5. It's in a very sheltered spot, so I don't think I'm going to have any issue with the wind taking it down, but you never know. Wind can be pretty brutal. And we have an absolutely gorgeous day out here today. I've been out running around, doing a few errands and doing a little bit of shopping, and didn't want to come in because it's sunny, it's warm, well, warm for here. Like a very, very light jacket is all you need. And I know some people that would wear shorts in this weather here. It won't be me, but I've seen that done in the past. Anyway, for those of you that feel that you need something, there is something like this available. Now, Dollarama did also have a plastic version, and I've never purchased the plastic version. I prefer that one. And a number of you have asked me where I picked up these cell packs, and once again, Dollarama. They come in a package of 3 of these cell packs for $1.25. And the tray that I bought was also a separate tray. It was not the ones that actually go with planters. It's much more rigid, and 4 of these fit perfectly. I took them and I measured them before I brought it home so that I could put, and that's why I have 2 left, because I bought 2 packages of 6 each and tested that, and I needed 4. I have 2 left. I'm certainly going to use these. I'll probably buy another tray and another package, and that will take care of me for another whole lot of seeds. But I'm going to see how those do for the time being. And I only have a small garden, and a lot of my stuff I do plant directly into the ground, so we'll see what I need. But if I do, I will pick up some more. Now, I thought I would take a spin around Dollarama, since there probably are some items that probably interest a lot of people there. And I'm sure you could find those either at, Dollar Tree. I mean, Dollarama certainly did not have the 3-tier planters. They do have soil, and they do have all kinds of garden supplies, which I've taken a few snapshots of, but they don't have the 3-tier. I know you have Dollar Tree in the U.S., and we have Dollar Tree in Canada, so everyone can get them here in North America. And I don't know what Dollar General, we don't have Dollar General in Canada, but you do in the U.S., and I don't know if that's comparable to Dollarama, but they are similar. Certainly Dollarama does not price things at $1 or $1.25. I think a lot of things are as high as $4.50. So, you've got a little bit more of a range, and therefore they have more products available for you. We find that Dollar Tree is very limited here because they're trying to keep it at a price point that probably makes it difficult for them to sell a number of items. And I think here in Canada now the price point is $1.25 to $1.50. I believe $1.50 is the maximum. I may be wrong. Whereas I know in the U.S. it used to be $1 and they raised it to $1.25. things cost more. I don't know what your current price is now, but I know that those planters, I paid $1.50 a piece for them, so the 3-tier ones. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy them, and I'm going to run through a number of pictures that I took at Dollarama to show you a few of the gardening items that are available there. I probably should do the same thing at Dollar Tree, but we probably have Home Depot, Costco, Walmart, and a few other places that will be opening up their garden centers very soon, and all those places are close and acceptable to me. Unfortunately, most of the proper garden centers that used to be close by are gone. But understandable with everyone else just opening up garden centers for the season and then shutting that down. It makes it pretty difficult for a real garden center to stay open in that climate when they have that much competition, especially when that is their big season. I think I have to go further out of town to hit a garden center. But that's fine. I may do that too, just for see what they have, because I mean, all these, like the Walmarts and the Costco and Home Hardware, they have some things, but they pretty much all have standard, same things. And you need some variety. Anyway, right now I'm going to show you some of these pictures, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope everyone's having a lovely day. We have beautiful weather here today, and yeah, it's a great day to be out and about. Talk to you soon.